So I just wanted to mention that in the future I would like to do a Q&A. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have any questions for me or my rats. You guys can leave 1, 2, 3, even 5 or 10, doesn't matter. Let me know down in the comments. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know before I started this video that I am going to be doing a Q&A in the future. Hello everybody and welcome back to Rat Tales. So I'm so sorry for the audio in this video. My mic isn't working, so maybe I'll get it working in the next video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your guys' very own rat vending machine. Now I know this may sound crazy, but this vending machine really works. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. I got my prize. So now it's time to read some more comments. So in my previous video, I asked you guys, what is your guys' favorite YouTubers outside of the pet community? So now I'm going to be reading your guys' responses. Little Paws 18120 said, I went through my list of channels I am subscribed to because I have most of all animal channels I watch. But however, I do enjoy watching art channels like Nerdy Crafter and Mariah Elizabeth. I love animal and art. Ah, that's so cool. I love watching both of those channels. Those were both good choices. Fattastic said, oh, that's such a cute idea. I will definitely make this. Yours turned out really well. My favorite YouTuber outside of the pet community, Jaden Animations, Goey Films, and Ginger Pills. Those all sound like good choices. So that is all the comments I'm going to be reading for today's video. Thank you everybody who submitted your guys' comments. So the question for this video is going to be, is there any animals that you would not own? For me, it would probably either be a tarantula or a snake. I can handle snakes, like holding them and stuff, but I don't think I would own them. So yeah, those are the two animals that I don't think I would own. But I love bearded dragons. Those are so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I had a lot of fun filming it. And hopefully you guys can make your guys' very own rat vending machine. So make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Bye-bye. Sweet little faces.